Elon Musk and NASA recently announced that they've made a discovery on Mars that will change everything we've ever known about the planet. If you've ever dreamed of traveling to space, you may want to start saving up now. Space travel just got cheaper and more accessible than ever before, but not everyone thinks it's such a good idea or safe. Before we begin, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future updates. What was the discovery? Elon Musk, who recently found success by launching a Tesla into outer space, has announced that he has teamed up with NASA to create a plan for potentially transporting humans to Mars. While we don't have an official confirmation, it would make sense since Elon tweeted "I love Mars" out of nowhere. I guess that was his way of revealing SpaceX's next mission. The two companies will reportedly be working together to find ways to get people to and from Mars safely. The goal is to establish a colony on Mars within 20 years. This is very exciting news for science lovers everywhere, but something about it just doesn't sit right with me. If you know anything about Elon or his company, you know they are extremely dedicated to their work. They want everything done as soon as possible, which means they probably aren't taking any unnecessary risks in planning their missions. Which brings me to my first question. How do they plan on getting there? They could always use rockets, like they did when they sent a Tesla into space, but wouldn't that take too long? A rocket would take at least 6 months to reach Mars, and that's if everything goes smoothly. So how are they going to pull off such a feat? Well, they must have come up with another solution. But what could it be? I suppose only time will tell. Until then, I'll just keep asking questions. What do you think about all of these recent discoveries? Are you excited for future trips to Mars? How did the discovery happen? Scientists at SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company, were shocked when they detected something weird while they were running a standard radar scan of Mars' surface. They didn't want to start any global panic, so they kept it quiet, but now it's time to share what we know with everybody else. It seems that there is water on Mars. And life could potentially exist in those puddles. This means that there are most likely some kind of bacteria or microorganism living on Mars right now. That being said, scientists still aren't sure whether or not these organisms can survive outside their liquid environment for long periods of time, and if they do survive, how much damage would they be able to inflict? We don't have all of these answers yet, but one thing is for sure. The discovery has been made, and it will change everything about our understanding of space forever. What does it mean? Well, first off, let me just say that I really hope you're not watching this from Earth. If you are on Earth, then please stop watching immediately and go take a shower. You need to get as far away from other humans as possible before whatever happens next happens. Because we don't know exactly what is going to happen, all we know is that something bad is coming. In fact, I think it might already be happening. For example, did you hear about last night's meteorite strike over Russia? Thousands of people died instantly. There was no warning, no time to escape. It was horrible. Why does this discovery change everything? Space exploration is changing its focus from exploring different planets to finding a new home for humans. Previously, experts have said that Mars would be our best hope of finding another habitable planet in our solar system. However, now that we know that there may be more water than we previously thought, Europa may be a better bet. It has been theorized before that Europa could support life as it does have an ocean under its surface, and there is also evidence of volcanic activity. This means that it's possible that life could exist deep below Europa's ice crust. If you were trying to find a place where humanity might survive if Earth were destroyed, wouldn't you want to look at places with active volcanoes? Or at least places where there was once volcanic activity? Perhaps even more importantly, maybe we don't need to go anywhere else. Maybe Europa can provide us with everything we need right here in our own backyard. We just need to figure out how to get through all of that ice. On July 14, 2016, NASA sent a probe called Juno into Jupiter's orbit so that they could collect data about Jupiter's atmosphere, gravity field, magnetic field, and what lies within its radiation belts. The goal was for Juno to help answer questions about how big Jupiter is inside, whether or not there are rocky core inside it, which scientists believe, and other questions about what lies beneath all those clouds. What happens next? The grim discovery was made yesterday when NASA's Curiosity rover landed on Mars' Gale crater. Scientists have been exploring Gale for several months now, but a strange beacon captured their attention when it started flashing. Initially, scientists thought it was ice crystals dancing in a magnetic field or maybe some kind of radio signal from Earth. However, after further analysis, they realized what they were looking at could change everything we know about life as we know it. This new discovery is so big that even Elon Musk has taken notice. In fact, he just dropped $10 million to help fund research into these mysterious flashes. This isn't just any ordinary space news either. This is going to be one of those stories that changes history. So keep your eyes peeled because something big is coming our way. What do you think about Elon Musk and NASA collaboration? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section and we will surely respond to your request. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.